chemical bonds. Once upon a time, there were two brothers, the Bond brothers. One was named Ionic, the other was named Covalent, and they look very much alike. So alike that it's hard to tell them apart. Now during their time, the Atom houses were very poor. They have very poor kids, the proton kids, so many of them. The economy was down and all the Atom houses were low on electrons money. So these two brothers, they stole from the rich to give to the poor. Haven't we heard that story somewhere? So anyways, Ionic Bond, one of the brother, he stole electrons money and he kept it for himself. He didn't do any sharing. So over here is one rich family, the Na, they have an extra electron money, and then Ionic Bond stole it, the electron money, and he kept it for himself. He didn't share with anybody. Covalent Bond, the other brother, he's totally opposite of his brother. He stole the electron money and he shared the money with all the other poor atom houses. So there was a lot of electron sharings with covalent bond. We see here hydrogen sharing, fluorine sharing, and so on. However, covalent bond didn't share the money, not necessarily even. He didn't share it even. It was called polar covalent bond. Because for example, on the right hand side, there's the bromine family. And they are a very large family. They have many proton kids. So they needed the electron money more than the other guy. On the left hand side is the hermit who lived by himself, hydrogen. He's only one by himself. He only one proton. So he doesn't need as much electron money as the bromine family. So this is an uneven sharing, which the hydrogen hermit guy is perfectly fine with it. So more electron over here and less over here. And this create a polar moment, a polar bond, polar covalent bond to be exact. Then there are times when the money are shared evenly. The electron money are shared evenly because both family have the same number of proton kids. And this is called a non-polar covalent bond because the electrons are being shared evenly. There is no pole. There's no pole, so it's just very evenly shared. Now, covalent bond, because being such a good and wonderful guy, he became a hero. And the people gave him a hero title, a very special, cool hero title, only for covalent bond. He was known as Molecule. Rules of the lab. Now you know when you do lab work and stuff, your teacher always tell you like safety rules, write in pen, teamwork, these are all important things. It's only after you do so many labs you realize that these rules are not just important, they are very important, and we find out why. For example, experiments must be reproducible. Yes, your teacher told you that many times, and based on your experiments, they should fail the same way each time. Experience is proportional to the equipment ruined. Number 3, always keep a record of your data. Your teacher told you that many times. It indicates that you have been working. Number 4, do not believe in miracles. Rely on them. Other important rules that you learn as you experience in the lab. Teamwork is very essential. Yes, it is. It allows you to blame someone else. No experiment is a complete failure because they can serve as a negative examples of the hypothesis. And last but not least, if an experiment works, something has gone wrong.